Hello friends. Welcome to the next video of the series of tariff determination process in India. We have covered basic concepts by and large till previous videos. Now, we will be covering the different components of the tariff petitions. First component is the energy balance. In this video, we will discuss sales estimation, which is an important part of energy balance. To begin with, we will understand the need for sales estimation. In line to procure power from power plants, as per requirement of its consumers, distribution companies try to project the electricity sales to its consumers accurately. Since power sales is an uncontrollable factor beyond the control of distribution companies, and hence its impacts are usually passed through to the consumers, any miscalculation in sales projections results in huge burden of power purchase cost and associated costs to consumers in terms of high tariffs. In a way, sales projection acts as a base for calculation of expenditure a distribution company has to incur and is also used to determine the income they will make by selling electricity to its consumers. Along with this, category-wise power sales also act as the base for finalizing the category-wise tariff schedule. Hence, a distribution company should know the power demand across the consumer categories. But, exact demand for future years is not known, hence, the distribution company has to estimate the power demand and ultimately estimate the power sale they will do in a year. Having understood the need, let us know how distribution companies project sales for the control period. First of all, the distribution companies categorize consumers based on voltage level, which are mainly termed as LT, or low tension, and HT, or high tension, consumers. They are often divided into subcategories, which are agricultural, residential, public works, commercial, and industrial consumers and others. These subcategories vary from state to state. As a next step, distribution companies forecast the sales based on the analysis of the historical trend and consider certain factors like seasons, festivals, agricultural pattern, any government policy scheme, or any other factor while doing so. One of the commonly used methods for sales estimation is CAGR, or Compound Average Growth Rate. Generally, CAGR of 3 years or 5 years or 7 years are considered by the distribution companies. Finally, let us see how CAGR are calculated. Divide the value at the end of the considered period by its value at the beginning of that period. Raise the result to an exponent of 1 divided by the number of years. Subtract 1 from the subsequent result. The final value reached is CAGR. In upcoming videos, we will be talking about other parameters related to energy balance. Comment below to share your views on this tariff series. Like and share the video. Also, subscribe to the channel to see more such videos in future.